Hi guys, welcome to U-Wrench. Today I've got a quick video for you to show you how to use one of these, and this is a digital tyre tread gauge tool. And these are a great little tool for checking the remaining tread that you have on your tyres. And you can pick these up super cheap, usually $10 maybe $12 on Amazon, and we will add some links for you into the video description below. So if this video has been helpful for you, please help support us and be sure to check out those links. So as you can see on our particular one, we've got 3 buttons. The first button at the top here, that allows you to change the units between inches and millimeters. Our next button, which is our red one, just down here at the bottom, that's simply the on and off button. And then finally our third button just here, our yellow one, that allows you to calibrate the tool and get it back to dead zero. So before we can use this to measure the tread on our tyres, we need to calibrate it. So the way that this tool works actually has this section that moves backwards and forwards, and that's going to change the reading on the screen there. But before we can do that, we need to make sure that we get this set at the correct position on 0. So to do that, you just need to use a nice flat surface. We're going to use the desktop that we have just here. And so you want to make sure that the pin at the bottom here is protruding beyond these 2 little arms. Then simply press the pin down on the desktop until the 2 arms make contact with the desk, and then we want to hit this 0 button. So we now know that this is set at 0, and that's with everything perfectly aligned across the bottom there. So the tool is now ready for use. Let's get it on the car. And so you just want to make sure that the surface of the tyre is clear where we're going to be using the tool here. And also make sure in the little section that we're going to be using the tool in, which is this groove right here, that you don't have one of the moulded the depth markers moulded onto the tyre in that groove. And all we do is we place these 2 wings so that they straddle the centre of the groove like that. Make sure that the tool is nice and flat, 90 degrees in relation to the face of the tyre. And then we just push the centre down into the tread of the tyre until it stops. And that will give us the depth of that tyre. So in this particular instance, we have 4.99 millimeters of depth remaining on this tyre. And it really is as simple as that. Like I say, a fantastic little tool for quickly checking the depth on your tyres. So thank you for watching. If this video has been helpful for you, we always ask, can you take 1 second out of your busy day just to hit that like button for us? Likewise, please consider subscribing. We do have loads more great content on our YouTube channel waiting for you to check out. We appreciate it. We'll see you again.